Low sodium, healthy turmeric juice shot can be prepared in about 15 minutes, and that includes washing the turmeric and ginger, chopping, peeling and blending. Let the strained mixture get cold in the refrigerator before enjoying 1 to 2 ounce shots of it each day. Not only can you enjoy it as a shot, but also add it to your smoothies or protein shakes for an added boost of gluten-free nutrition. This ginger lemon turmeric shot is the ultimate health boost, featuring turmeric, ginger, lemon, and black pepper. Switching from Metamucil to this nutrient-packed shot for a healthier morning routine. Ready in 15 minutes, this recipe is simple: blend, strain, and chill for a daily health kick. Explore more turmeric-infused drinks for a variety of health benefits. Ingredients include fresh ginger, turmeric, lemons, an orange, black pepper, and water. Tips: freeze into cubes for smoothies, remove citrus pith to avoid bitterness, and wear gloves to prevent turmeric stains. Conclusion: the ginger lemon turmeric shots recipe offers a potent blend of nutritional benefits in a small serving. Combining the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric with the immune-boosting effects of ginger and vitamin C-rich lemon, this shot packs a punch of health benefits. It's a quick and easy way to incorporate these powerful ingredients into your daily routine, promoting overall wellness and vitality. Disclaimer: the information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances. If you like my video, watch, share, and subscribe.